Ready, set, go. So we're gonna press fit these into the carriage here.
Exactly.
Now, you can use a great big fancy press like that if you want to, or if you have access to one, or if not, you can do the easier, cheaper, and potentially smarter way and just use a C-clamp. But you do want to remember to cover everything up so you don't scuff and scrape and ruin everything, so it stays all pretty like. Everybody wants their machine to be all pretty like, right? The biggest concern when you're doing this though is just like right now, you see that's going in super crooked, you want to make sure that it goes in straight. So you got to be real careful as you're tightening that in that you make sure that you're pressing it into place straight. Whoa. Alright, shift back. Come back off it. A little more. A little more. No, up. Yeah, there. Whoa. Alright. Come off it. There. Come off it. There.
It's weird, dude. Like, either the brass bushing is loose in there, or it's like hard to get in. It's hard to get that perfect diameter. Still not scratching. Cool. I think we're good,
and
right?
Perfect. Tighten up a little bit, and there we go. Just like that. Voila. And you see, it's all nice and shiny still. Let's see how the other side looks. No scratches or nothing. Great job. Yay! Go. So here's take 2. We're doing the other end. We just did that end. Now we're gonna come back here for this end. And we're gonna do the same process. Cover that up with paper. And I'll pick that up right there so you can kind of see. And you see, starting out as close to center as you got it. And this one looks like you got dead center, and it's just gonna press straight in there. So there you go. That's how you're supposed to do it on the first try. Ta-da! Beautiful. Good job, Shane.